Hello, my people. Today is fried rice that's on my mind. I just thought about it and I said, Kai, let me prepare this delicious fried rice and share with my wonderful followers and subscribers. Don't go anywhere. It's still Dioma Kitchen, where delicious creations begin. That is here. So sit tight, watch as I show you how to prepare delicious fried rice. To prepare the stock for the fried rice, I used curry powder, thyme, salt to taste, seasoning cubes to taste, ginger powder, garlic, which is optional, onions, and water. The full list of ingredients and quantity is in the description of this video. Pour the water to be above the chicken or any protein you're using so the meat can suck in all the sweetness of the stock. For the rice, after parboiling, we add the turmeric powder for color, curry powder for flavor, seasoning cubes for taste, and salt to taste too, then blended pepper, the meat stock, and hot water. Hot water, the reason is so the rice will not soak, it will just start boiling immediately. Pour the water. It depends on how hard your rice is. If your rice is very hard, then you have to put enough water to cook. For the veggies, which is the major ingredient that gives you that fried rice flavor, we'll use diced sausage, fry for a while until it's a bit brown. Then you add the green beans. Why? Is because green beans is hard and I need it to cook a bit. Then the green pepper will go in next, so it can release its flavor in the rice. The green pepper is one of the main flavors of fried rice, so allow it to fry a bit in the oil so that it can release all the flavor. Then you add the green pea, which is also hard, so allow the three to fry very well for a while, like about a minute or two, before you now add the seasoning cube to give the veggies taste. So when you pour it into the rice, even if the rice is already sweet, the veggies will have its own sweetness too. After frying for a while, you add diced liver. The liver is boiled and fried, then diced. Turn, allow to fry for about 30 seconds. Then you add the diced carrots, the white onions, and the sweet corn. Make sure that your veggies are dry, that none of them is having a bit of water, because the idea is to fry, not to cook. If there's any iota drop of water in any of the veggies, then you're already cooking your veggies, you are not frying it. So after adding all the ingredients, you fry, allow to fry for about a minute or two. Then you turn it into our already spiced and well seasoned rice. Then turn it. Oh man, this is so beautiful and colorful. That is the beauty of fried rice. Make sure you turn it very well so that the veggies will go around the rice. And when you are turning, don't turn it as if you are making semo. turn it gradually and softly so that the rice will not come together. So this is our product, delicious fried rice. Don't forget to like, comment, share and follow Dioma Kitchen. Thank you.